everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 639 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out the NYX Bear With Me Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Brow Setter. And I'm really excited to try this out today. I love trying out brow products, and even though a clear brow gel doesn't seem like a very exciting product, for some reason, I love them and I love trying out new ones. And this one is especially exciting and unique because of that Cannabis Sativa seed oil. So I got this from Ulta and it was only $7. So this is vegan, cruelty-free, and because of the Cannabis Sativa seed oil and other ingredients that are in this, it's supposed to be super nourishing and conditioning for the eyebrows, which I just love anything that's nourishing and conditioning for anything, but I never really thought to nourish my eyebrows, but why not? And so let's check out the applicator. Oh yes, I love when brow products have tiny applicators. So that looks like a perfect size. And so it's actually kind of hard to tell, but I only filled in one of my brows. I filled in this brow with the Wander Beauty brow pencil, and this just goes to show like how natural I like to keep my brows, and I like to keep them filled in. But so I wanted to try this product out with and without an eyebrow product, an eyebrow pencil, so then we can see how it looks on top of an eyebrow filled in and just on its own. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush this through my brows. I wear a brow gel every single day because I have really long eyebrow hairs that will get pretty unruly and out of place. This brush feels dry, like there's no product on it. Like I thought this was supposed to go on white, but I don't even feel like there's any product coming off. But right away, like it doesn't even look like there's anything in my brows. Let's see how it does on my brow without any filler. I'm getting a little bit of product coming off, and I was worried it would be like really white and take a while to dry down and it would look weird, but even though it has a white color, it goes clear pretty much as soon as you brush it through. So, okay, did that do anything? Not really. Maybe I need to add some more. Okay, I mean, it has a little bit of hold to it, but it's not a strong hold at all. It feels pretty flexible and soft on my eyebrows. Like there's a bit of hold, but not as much as I need for my long brow hairs. And it just didn't really do anything. Like it doesn't look any different. When I use that Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel, you can see a difference because it kind of just like enhances the brow hairs, make them look more natural. That one has a much stronger hold. So this one, it's just like so. It's doing a little bit of hold, and sometimes people want their clear brow gel to be undetectable, and this is definitely undetectable. Okay, now that I layered like a lot on this brow, it's staying in place how I want it to. But wow, that took a lot of time and a lot of product to get these brows to stay in place. It's not my favorite, but it's not terrible. I think I will continue using it just because I really do need a new brow gel, but I'm gonna have to put on tons of different layers of this, so it's probably not even gonna last me that long. So I guess my search continues for brow products. So if you have any recommendations, I would love to hear your favorite brow products, your pencils, gels. Let me know in the comments down below. And if you've tried this, I'm very curious your thoughts on it. I was hoping to be much more impressed by this than I am. This is better than the NYX brow filler kit that I tried out the other day. That was a super fail. This one, not exactly a fail, but you know, I need to try out some good NYX products. I love NYX, and I feel like the products that I've tried out lately have been letting me down, so I need a really good product to just like reinforce my love for NYX. So let me know what your favorite NYX products are and if there are any that you would recommend me trying out. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.